Nearly 500 years ago, the Son of Heaven, Yinglu, commanded the worthy official Guan Yu to make a great bell for him.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Shinsky, call Guan Yu. I have something to say to him.
Yes, Your Majesty. Master Guan. Emperor Yonglu was called.
Okay, I'll be there.
My Majesty. Master Guan Yu.
My Majesty, why did you call me My Majesty? What can I be able to do for you?
Guan Yu, you are a worthy official. That's why I ordered you to make a great bell of such size that it will be heard for 100 feet. It should be placed in the center of the imperial capital, and it should be strengthened with brass, and deepened with gold, and sweetened with silver as well, with the religious engravings and design.
Yes, My Majesty.
And obedient Guan Yu followed the emperor's command. He assembled the master molders, bellsmiths, and all men of greater repute and cunning. In foundry work to begin the great bell, he ordered them to begin and finish the great bell as soon as possible.
Master Guan Yu, the molders, smiths, and their masters are here.
Yes, Master Guan Yu.
Emperor Yonglu commanded me to make a bell. In order to fulfill his command, I need all of your help.
But Sir Guan Yu, what is the characteristic of the great bell that Majesty Yonglu wants?
A bell that can reach up to 100 li, and it should be strengthened with brass, deepened with gold, and sweetened with silver as well with religious engravings and design.
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master Guan Yu. Please call the Master of all. Yes, Master. Master Wang, you're calling by Master Guan Yu. Please follow me. Master Guan Yu, here's the Master of Moon. How was the bell?
Master, the result was void of word. The metal had rebelled one against the other. The gold had alliance with brass. The silver was not mingled with molten iron.
Why? Why did the metals rebel to each other? Repeating their words. Try again. Maybe this time the metals will stand. Light the fire. Prepare the mold.
Go.
How could that be? The result was even worse.
Sir, still the metals were obstinately refused to blend one with the other. There was no uniformity in the bell. The sides of it were cracked and fissured, and the lips of it were slugged and split asunder. Sorry, Master.
Master Guan Yu, there's a letter from Emperor Yonglu. Yes, ma'am. Oh, Father, you're here. Oh, Lady Go. Lady Go. Lady Go. My daughter. Lady Go. Lady Go. Wake up, Lady. Father, what happened?
You fainted. Take a rest, and you will gain your strength.
I still can't sleep nor rest, thinking for my father's sake.
Yes, miss. What I can do for you?
Miss, please help me. I need to talk to Mr. Astrologer.
Please follow me. Miss Astrologer, someone wants to talk to you.
Come here.
Mr. Astrologer, I need your help. Can you please help me? How can I save my father's life in danger?
I'm the one you are searching for. I can help you, but can you pay the price?
Yes, I can pay.
Oh, mister.
I can buy this one, and this one too.
Miss!
Very good. This is beautiful.
Oh, mister. For yours.
This is my
You have a
wife.
wife?
Yes.
Just for $3.
$2. Always. I can buy my
Just $1.
No need to leave your room.
Okay, I want to buy
Here,
this.
that's why I can.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay,
It's
buy
so
this to my
wow.
wife.
Gold and brass will never meet in wedlock. Silver and iron never will embrace, until the flesh of a maiden be melted in the crucible, until the blood of a virgin mixed with the metals in their fusion.
But that is the only way?
Yes, that is the only way.
Master Kuanyu, all of your models was doing well their work. Okay, that's great.
For the sake of my father!
Miss and mothers, go up to work.
This is the show of Lady Gaga. I tried to stop him, but it's too late.
Why did she have to do this? I would rather have my head cut off than see my daughter die for this worthless girl.
Because she loves you very much. May I pronounce the creator of the bell, Master Kuan Yu, and the Emperor of Peking, China, Emperor Yongle.
Representing you, the Great Bell of Peking, China.
Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás con...
Tawagin nyo nga. Ano, nagbabasketball ba ang agi dyan? Pa-importante. Naman, nagpayag ka ma. Sige na, Andre. Ay, tawagin nyo nga si Jan.
All of you, come here. All of you, come here.
Yes, Master. Yan, sinelas mo! My Majesty. Master Kuan Yu.
Agad ka tao mo.